So while the fuck was that? While my computer is loading up, I'm going to unbox my crayon case, Black Girl. No, I don't know her, but I know that she's a black girl from New Orleans. How they say it? New Orleans. And she literally made $1 million in 90 seconds. Okay? And she made 100 grand in a minute. No, she made $1 million in an hour, right? And she made 100 grand in 1 minute. Like, I don't even know the numbers. Like, fucking ridiculous. Can't even think. But I supported her because I love her lip gloss. Like, I think she is the shit. So I got me a little keychain book bag, which is cute, the crayon case. So this is her brand. You know, the little crayon case. You could put this on your wallet or whatever. This is for your face, the glow. All right, so I ordered a bunch of stuff. So I got 2 of these for your face. I got the colored liners. These are actually liners, not actually pencils. These are actually eyeliners. And I have another one. Okay, I have another. Well, let's see. To take it out. So everybody loves makeup. So this is like a Sharpie, but it's actually a eyeliner, right? Like a Sharpie, but it's actually a eyeliner. That's crazy, right? So I support the crayon case, Super Scent. I got 2 of those, and bam! I love my lip glosses. I got 5, and the only reason I got 5, I would have got 10, okay? But because she was selling the fuck out, I was only able to get 5, and I was only able to get 1 of these. Let me see what else. Hall pass, colored pencils, pink sponges, eyeliners, lip gloss. Okay. All of these. So the black girl is winning, right? Fuck what you heard. Okay? Report to the office. Boom. So I'm going to put this up in my office. Boom. I am a crayon case user. You got this big case here, right? I wish she had an affiliate, but she don't. So this is her crayon case box. This is her brand. So this is this is how she make her bread. And she started this year. But of course, she's been grinding for years. So, you know, let's not, think that she's an overnight success. She's been grinding for years. So, for all you guys that saying, oh, she made 100 grand in a minute, and then she made 1.3 million in 90 minutes, trust, she's been grinding. She's been doing this, right? It's just now she actually is becoming successful. And I think she got like 4 million followers on Instagram. So again, the crayon case, man, and there's a ton of black women and white women that are using her makeup. And she said, the reason that I started this because I couldn't find a makeup that was good for me. And now this turned into a $4 or $5 million business in 1 year. It's crazy, friends. So I'm inspired. So I support her super. The crayon case, if you ever see this, girl, you are amazing. Keep up the good work. Keep inspiring us, right? To keep going and keep winning and keep moving and shaking, right? Again, guys, remember, money is every doggone where. Money's everywhere. There's no shortage of money. It's just a shortage of people actually going for it. So this is how the tube look for the lip gloss. So if you want a nice lip gloss, and this is a nice soft for your lips, not nothing hard and nasty. No, this is nice. I'm scraping this. This is like my last, so I got more. But Black girls are winning. And I'm inspired. And I'm one of the black girls that's winning. So the Crayon case, make sure you guys get some, support her, share success. Okay, don't be a hater, be a congratulator. See you guys at the top, because the bottom is just too damn crowded.